Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Blossoming Jasmine. I just wanted to share with you a hat that I just blinged out in Swarovski crystals. For those of you who don't know, Swarovski is going away as of September of this year, 2021. So me personally, I'm making it my business to bling as many black companies and brands in Swarovski because it's gonna go away. So this brand is Kesha and it's Kesha's Kitchen. So it's located in 1621 Orthodox Street. That's in the northeast of Philadelphia. I really like their food. Like I go there to get their salmon cheesesteak, rappers such as like Wale and just like people who are into good seafood. Go there. If you're in the Philadelphia area, make sure you support. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm gonna go eat some Kesha's Kitchen. Love you guys. Later, and bye.